Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 3200 LatteGo and the DeLonghi Eletta. Both seem pretty good, but I'm torn.
Oh yeah, I saw those. What are you prioritizing? Because they both have their strengths.
Well, ease of use is a big one, and cleaning. I don't want to spend half my morning cleaning an espresso machine.
Okay, for cleaning, the Philips LatteGo seems to win. It boasts a 2-part milk system with no tubes, cleaning in like 15 seconds. The DeLonghi says it has automatic cleaning programs and dishwasher-safe parts, but it sounds a bit more involved.
Good point. And what about the types of drinks they make? I like a good cappuccino.
Both make cappuccinos, espressos, and lattes. The DeLonghi highlights its one-touch latte crema system and a milk drinks menu, suggesting it might offer more variety in milk-based drinks. The Philips mentions 5 coffee options.
Variety is nice. What about the grinder? I've heard that makes a big difference.
The Philips has ceramic grinders with 12 adjustable settings, and they claim those grinders are good for 20,000 cups. The DeLonghi also has an integrated grinder with 13 adjustable settings. So they're pretty similar there, but Philips emphasizing the ceramic and the longevity is interesting.
Okay, and size? My counter space is limited.
The Philips is 17 DX 10 inches, WX 15 inches H, while the DeLonghi is 14.16, DX 10.2, WX 18.36 H. So the DeLonghi is a bit taller, but also a little less deep, if that makes sense. It is also significantly heavier, weighing in at 24.2 pounds versus the Philips's 0.01 ounces. I think that's a typo.
Yeah, I'm guessing that is a typo. So DeLonghi is probably heavier. How about reviews?
The DeLonghi has a slightly higher rating, 4.8 with 10 ratings, while the Philips has 4.1 with 19 ratings. But fewer reviews can sometimes be misleading. The top review for Philips is not great. It mentions missing parts and milk spillage.
Ouch! Okay, that's a red flag.
Yeah, the DeLonghi's customer reviews sound much more positive, praising its quality, flavor, and ease of use. It sounds like people think it's worth the money.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the DeLonghi. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.